Okay, here is the Tao Bull 200. As you can see, all put together. When we try to start it, we turn the key to the on position. As you can see, we have a full display. We pull in the handle and we try to start it, and we have a click down by the starter solenoid area.